Hey guys, yeah, what's going on? Yeah, I'm gonna do Master Cool Cat's Crane Round. We actually did the whole C.F.O, but I'm going to record the Crane Round now. Well, yeah. Oh, how's this gonna be? Wait. Yeah, last time it did not have music, but at least it does this time. Oh wow, I almost collected that goon. But yeah, this is like a 3-man. Yeah, not too bad. Yay, I got one. I think I got my goons like exactly like maybe Toontown Infinite. I'm not really sure. Oh, that missed. Oh, it just glitched. That's what happened. Whoa. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was actually gonna get ready to jump into him, but it looks like Mr. Cool Guy got him on time. I'm about ready to throw a safe whenever he's stunned. Let's do what the... Yeah, I actually did not want my safe to glitch right there. Alright. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready with another safe because I feel like he's going to get stunned soon. Oh, at least I got him on time. Whoa, what happened? Oh, I was hoping for like a minus 50 something right there. Whoa. Darn, yeah, I hate when saves glitch. Alright. Alright, come on. Wow. Well, I got him at the same time he got me. Oh, will I be able to hit him on time? Oh, I did, wow. Do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do. Yeah. Oh, darn it. Yeah, too bad the goon didn't hit him. Oh well though. But yeah, it is what it is. Whoa. Yeah, I'll just say thank you for the safes. Safe. Yeah, darn. Oh. Oh. Oh, for a second I thought like he put on his safety helmet. At least that thing glitched though, just in case. I actually thought that's what was gonna happen. Darn. Oh wow, yeah, so we both got him at the same time. Oh darn, yeah, I was hoping that double safe, I mean double goon helped. Oh well though, what the happened? Yes, I got. I think I might have got him. Oh. Dude. Oh, for a second I thought that person left, but I guess not. I guess it's not helping me to double goon. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Oh, so he's almost red. Alright, yeah. Okay. Whoa. What is going on? Well, oh, great. Yeah, quit with that. Oh wow, I got him right on time too. Whoa. What the? Da, 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 da. Wow. Yeah, I keep failing at double goon. Oh, we keep failing. Oh, what? Oh, I did not even know if that's what was gonna happen. Yeah, I'm going over here. Uh, there we go. Here, I'm gonna see if I can get a safe on him. Oh, darn it. Whoa. Oh, that was bad luck. Whoa. Oh, blinking red. Alright, the C.F.O is blinking red. Da, 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 da. Alright, I'll see you all next time. Oh, here, I'll let you guys see this.